So today we're at another one of my favorite spots, and also secret spots nobody knows about. Call this Waterfall Cove, and you'll see why in a minute. Got your own private beach and gorgeous views of the coast from up on your little pinnacle here. Some beautiful flowers growing there and beautiful contrast. A little foggy today, but that's part of what gives it its beauty here. And we're going to go down and see the waterfall. First we're going to look at it from the top. You can just see the variety of color. And Bullet's down there waiting for us right now. But first we'll take a walk over here. And you can see the flowers growing along the side of the cliff. And the stream that actually creates this waterfall, there's a lizard, comes from the redwoods, and take a view of it from the top. This is looking down on the waterfall. And we'll go down and have a look at it. You can just see the views here, they're just spectacular. It's got all this variety of color and vegetation. This really makes for a beautiful walk. But one of the reasons this is so private is not too many people, first of all, know about it, and the people that know about it can't figure out how to get down to it, because you really mess yourself up walking down here, which is good in a way, because it deters a lot of people from coming down. So I jump down this little cliff here, hold the camera so you can have a view of the ocean. Hard to come down here with one hand holding an iPhone, but I got pretty good at it. Anyways, this is the view once you're down at the coast. And look who's here. It's the infamous Bullet. What's up, Bullet? What's up? Can you give us a tour? She likes the waterfall a lot. And I think, as you can see here, we're looking up on the waterfall. The water's just crystal clear. You can drink it no problem. And as you make your way up, you just have to be careful of the stones, but you can go right up to it. And if you want to take an eco-friendly shower, a little cold but effective. And so right here I have a bird's eye view of waterfall. And while you're taking a shower, you can look out at the ocean.